Namaskar friends, welcome to today's session of NEET admission Faridabad. So in today's video we'll discuss about what are the key points, what are the important points we should remember before examination. So we will discuss about some points in this video. Before starting today's topic, I would suggest you please subscribe the channel if you have not, so that you receive all the notification updates on time, because I will be uploading videos on cutoff, fees and the norms of counseling in coming days. So it will help you out in counseling process. If you are interested, you can take our paid services for counseling, in which we will guide you throughout the process right from registration till seat allotment. Now coming back to our today's topic. So if we talk about the important points, so first of all, as we all know that NB is giving this examination center, maximum candidates are getting their center far away from their house. So in that case, you will have to travel a lot. Maybe if your center is around 500 kilometers away from your house, so in that case you will have to travel a lot. So I would suggest you, the first thing is that you must reach your center at least one day before, so that you if you are there one day before, even if you are getting late in traveling or if you are getting some exhaustions in traveling, in one day time you will recover, and then you can participate in examination properly with cool mind. So first point is that reach your examination center at least one day before. Now second thing is, check each and every detail of admit card carefully. Check your spelling of your name, your category, your subcategory. Then go along with your original documents, photo identity card and your admit card, so that you do not face any problem on examination center. So go along with all these documents. Apart from that, check each and every detail in admit card, because I have seen many times when counseling starts, student used to see that in their admit card some category is changed, or name spelling is changed or something like that. So check each and every detail in your admit card, because students usually take these things very lightly, but when counseling starts, these are very important things, and at that time you will feel problem. At examination center you will feel problem if your title is different, if your category is different, and you will show your document. So at that time you will feel problem. So check each and everything in detail, that yes, each and everything whatever you have filled in your application form, all those details are correct or not in your admit card or not. So this is also an important point. Now the third thing is, in examination, as we all know that this year there is a change in examination pattern. So keep in mind that there will be some technical error on your examination center. You may face some technical error on examination center. Because of that technical error, don't lose your calm or don't get nervous. That be alert for that and be prepared mentally for that you might face some technical error on examination center, because this is first time they are going to introduce this different section of examination. So you will have different 5 sections, and after one section, second section will open, after second section, third section will open. So definitely this is very new for NEET PG students, so you might feel some technical error. Apart from that, suppose in section 1 you have not done very good, in that case you will start thinking about the thing that, oh, I have not attempted that question, I have not attempted that question, answer was this answer was right, that answer was not right. So all these things will start tickling in your mind when you are attempting second section or third section. So be mentally prepared for this, that even if you are not doing very good in section 1, so if you are doing section 2 presently, so don't think again and again about section 1, that in section 1 you have not attempted this question or that question, because you will have 5 different examination and you cannot go back to section 1 and you cannot correct your that answer, and you are having only 42 minutes to solve 40 questions. So you are not having much time to waste. So if you will think again and again about last section, then it will impact your present section questions, and you will not be able to focus properly on your present questions. So mentally prepared, be mentally prepared for all these things. So these are 5 points what I have just explained, that examination pattern is going to happen, examination change in examination pattern is going to happen this year. Be mentally prepared for that, because you are not having much time. For each section you are having 42 minutes and you will have to solve 40 questions. So you will have to be very quick. Attempt as much questions as you can do. Even if you know 20% of that question, try to attempt it. This is the only process in which you will be able to get your dream branch, and you will be able to score very high, and you will be able to get a good college, or you will be able to get a DNB or government college. Because even if you are not attempting a question, in that case chances of getting a private college is more, because if you are attempting less questions. I'm not saying that attempt those questions which you are not having any idea. I am talking about attempt those questions which are in which you are having 20-30% idea, and go with your instincts and try to attempt that question, so that if 20% chances are there that if that question gets correct, then that will be very good for you. So these are the 4-5 points. Try to reach your center one day before. Be mentally prepared for technical errors. Be mentally prepared for this change in examination pattern. Be mentally prepared for 2 shift examination, because there will be different papers for both the shift. So there will be normalization result. So be prepared for that. And try to attempt as much question as you may do. Definitely those questions which you know something about. Don't attempt those questions which you do not have any idea, because that will give you negative marks only. And go with proper admit card. Check all the admit card details carefully, so that each and everything written in your admit card is proper and there is no mistake in that. So this is it in this video. We'll come up with more relevant videos in coming time. Namaskar.